welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I worked on pulling the wire through the pipes that we worked on Thursday and Friday. As you can see in the ceiling, there's a junction box. Pulling the wire down to the plugs, to the fan, and the future trash compactor. So finished the piping to the plug on the column right there, and then pulled all the wire as well, like I already said. And then also worked in the electrical room after this, and finished a couple of the 1-inch home run pipes for the third floor lighting and for the low voltage, which they will have to put that panel in eventually, and then this 1/2-inch pipe next to it going to the junction box in the ceiling for the lighting, I believe. So tomorrow I will be working on drilling the holes out in the panel. The pipes are just sitting there right now, right where they need to go, but just need to drill those out, put the connectors into the panel, screw those down, and then put the pipe in there, and then pull the wire, like I said, to the second and third floor for the lighting. So like I said last week, the home run wasn't pulled to the lighting because the pipe wasn't finished, so I just finished the pipe, and that one will be pulling the wire tomorrow. That will be 10 gauge, and that should about do it. I think there's a 1/2-inch pipe that I also ran to the panel. I think that's for the lighting, so I might pull those small wires in the electrical room as well for the lighting, if that's what that's for. And then I don't know what I'm going to be doing next, so they have to give me another task to do tomorrow once I finish these things. So anyways, that should do it, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. It would help me out, and I'd appreciate that forever. And also check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos or do live streams. And that should do it, guys. Thanks for watching. God bless. Peace out. See you tomorrow.